Welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today I'm going to show you how to use this kit. Plus I made this tool where you take this and you modify it to run your cordless drill. Anyway, I've got a screw in here. It's right on the border of where they repair it at the shop. I think they might deny the repair. So it's just a little bit more over. They can repair in the middle, but if it's on the edge here, they won't for that reason. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, first thing you're going to have to do is try to get this out. There you go. Then you take your next tool and you start cleaning that out a little bit, make it a little bit roughy, like that, and just move back and forth. Next thing you do is take this. It's the last one I've got. I'm going to order some more. I was going to use this other one, but kind of, I don't know. I mean, I can see dry. It's just a little bit. There's a weird cement glue on it, but let's try it again. It's still sticky, so that's good. You got to get it in here, feed it in. That's kind of difficult. So you try to take this, try to pull it through. So that's why, you know, you got this repair kit. You may want a pair of pliers and something to be able to dig that nail out or that screw. Because how are you going to get that out if you got this kit and you're on the side of the road going, okay, I'm going to be all good now because I've got a little tubeless repair kit on hand. But wait a minute, how are you going to get that nail or that screw out if you don't have a pair of pliers to, and this is kind of working, but I'm just using the end of this, but not trying to bite it, but just to pull it like that. Yeah, pull right about in the middle. Then you get your rubber cement glue, because the one they gave me from China or Taiwan is all gone. So get some rubber cement. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, don't need that much. And just smear that all on there. I mean, stuff. You remember you used to playing with this and put it on your hand right here when you were in school? And you could put it on there and it'd dry up. That was fun. We didn't have laptops and computers and iPad back then. We did use our imagination. Okay, there, that's pretty good. Close that up so you don't spill it. And then you go in here and you put it in. Let's see if I got that in a little bit more. My tire's a little flat right now. So it was nice having a little bit of air in it, but you gotta get that in a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. It's getting there. About there, I think. Okay. Because if you go too much in, you're going to shove all that in. Game over. You're going to have to do it again and get another one if you mess up. So there you go. And then you're going to twist that out. And you got to get this to come out. There. Because it opens up here. So you kind of twist it, get it out. Now you got that little bit of it here, and you got a little bit on the other side. And this is where this comes handy again. You can use that. Or you can use this cheap little knife that they give you. that's whatever. That about does it. That worked. So, okay. And if you want, but professionally, if it's in more a little bit, and in here, they take the tire off the rim, they grind a little bit after they pull this out, and they put a patch on the inside. Well, first they put a plug, back that up, put a plug on it, and then they put a patch, and that's why that's better. I like to just put a little here. I don't think it hurts a whole lot, but just nice to kind of glue it. Not really preventing anything, really. Just kind of like to glue. And that's it. That's about basic of tire repair, and they don't show any instructions how to do it. This is on what I've done from other instructions and experience. Okay. Well, that's how you do it. But be sure you have some extra tools in order to get the job done. Alright, see this tool here I made? You can go up and you can go down. See, and that just makes it nice. So I just wanted to show you that. Alright, thanks, and give it a thumb up, and hopefully that'll help you out.